And I just bumped into another big guy, Mr. Jabu Dlamini, all the way from KZN. So do you want to let Cape Town TV know what it is that you're doing?
It's grateful. It's grateful. I think I have to say I feel very honored to come in Cape Town. It's my first time to come in this place, and I'm so happy for what is happening.
So you've got 2 gospel albums out. Do you want to tell them more about that?
My old album is called Yeka Ikhaya. Now I'm doing my new album called Zulu Lemfihlakalo. It's out there in different shops and music shops, and it's doing well.
Have you always wanted to be a gospel artist?
To be a gospel artist, it's not very easy. It's not very easy. To be a gospel artist, it's a calling. It's a calling because you're ministering to people outside there. When you're doing gospel music, you have to be a man who live with God, live with the presence of God. That is why to be a gospel music, I think you have to be dedicated to a gospel. It's not very easy to come to sing gospel music, as you can see another people come sing gospel. You have to have something inside you that push you go there.
Okay, awesome. And if people want to catch your music, where can they find your music?
Oh, they can find it out there. It's all over. All over. They can find my music. Uma sipega emuva uba wena twaunge nati abe safela eleni namhlanje siyamangala uma sibe emuva kuba wena waunge yenati abe safela elhela wokuba wena waunge nathi abe safela